Hey guys, this is Drew Gallagher, and today I'm going to show you how to find free stuff on Facebook Marketplace. Okay, so what you do is you search Facebook Marketplace, and then you can click on the link. The next step is to log in. Then once you've logged in, you'll get to the dashboard and you'll be able to see all the different items. If you want to find free items, you can go to the Marketplace and you can just type in free. Hit enter. And then it's going to come up with all these free items. The other way you could do this is you can go to the price and you could set the minimum to 0 and the maximum to 0, so it's just going to return the free items because all the prices would be 0. And as you can see, there's a ton of free stuff here you can claim in your area. So let's say I wanted to pick up this couch because I wanted to resell it, or I just wanted to claim it. What you would do is you go here, you'd message the person that is in the area, you would talk about the terms of grabbing that item, and then you would set up a way where you can meet them in a public location that's safe, maybe bring a friend, and that way you can claim the item and then you can use it how you want. You can resell it online and list it back on Facebook Marketplace or Let Go or a ton of other apps, or you can just keep it. Maybe you want a couch, maybe you want a keyboard or a piano, or there's so many different things on Facebook Marketplace. It's an awesome place to find great items that people are trying to get rid of. And that's it. It's pretty simple. If you have any questions about Facebook Marketplace, let me know. If you're going to start using Facebook Marketplace to claim some free stuff and even resell it, say yes in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, slap the like button and hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.
Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.